I talk to my computer more than I actually type on it. I'm going to show you the tool that makes that possible. You're probably going to want it, but I also want to show you a free thing that's already on your computer if you'd rather use that. It's called Flow. It used to be called Whisper Flow, but they recently changed the name to just Flow. I have no idea why, and I don't know why I'm doing air quotes for it. Moving on. Flow is a dictation tool. So you press a button, you speak, and essentially it does the typing for you. But it's better than typing, and here's why. First of all, most people speak faster than they type, on average 3 times faster. So when I'm writing an AI prompt, a response to someone, it's just faster, like a lot faster. If I say the wrong word and then say it correctly, it self-corrects. It eliminates the mistake and just puts the correct stuff in there. You don't have to backspace, highlight, stop. It just notices that you corrected yourself and makes that correction for you. If I say something like, here's a list of the 3 reasons why blah, 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 it actually outputs a numbered list. For example, here's 3 reasons I like Whisper Flow. It saves me time, I don't love typing, and it's easy to use. So it's not just transcription, it's smart transcription. Unique names, industry words, how you phrase things. It picks up on your corrections and stops making the same mistakes. So maybe you have a client whose name is Scott, and for some reason they spell their name with 1 T instead of 2. It will notice when you go back and change that spelling, and in the future, it will spell it the way that you spelled it. And this one's my favorite. Every single thing you dictate is saved in Flow's history. So if I start talking and dictating and I forgot to click on a text box first, which is what you're supposed to do before you trigger it, it's still there. Or if I dictate something and accidentally close something before saving it, I can go into Whisper Flow's history and grab it from there. And I just said Whisper Flow, sorry, Flow. And you can see here's the history of everything I've said to it since I've started using it. So it's great to have that safety net. But I think one of my favorite features are the snippets. A snippet is a shortcut. You just choose a phrase that you're gonna make almost like the trigger, and then it will instantly expand to whatever the heck you want. For example, I share a post each week inside a community and it's kind of long. So rather than have to copy paste it, I just go in and say, Wednesday wins post. And you can see it just fills that whole thing in. I also have my email address in there, my Zoom link. So I can just be messaging someone and share my email address by saying my email address. Now, I mentioned you have something similar on your Mac if you're using a Mac computer. Let me show you that in case you don't want to pay for Whisper Flow. Oh my gosh, Flow! If you go to any area where you can type on your Mac and just click in that area and then go up to edit, you'll see one of your options are start dictation. You could even set up a shortcut on your keyboard so that when you press a particular button, that gets initiated. You can do that under your Apple settings here. Go to System Settings, then click on Keyboard. And once that opens, you'll scroll all the way down to the bottom here and you'll toggle this dictation on. And here's where you can select which button you want to be the button that will initiate dictation. But the reason I use Flow is because of the AI piece. In Flow, it will format lists, remember words that are maybe spelled a little weird, it will self-correct, there's a history. And so for those reasons, I'm using Flow every day. There is a free version. You get, I think, 2,000 words per week, so you could try it out. The paid version is, I think, $15 a month if you pay monthly, $12 if you do the annual, and then it would be unlimited. I pay for the whole year because I use it every day. Now, I do have an affiliate link in the description, which gives you a whole month of the pro version for free, so you can try it out. And if you're not familiar with affiliate links, I would get something for it. I honestly don't even know what, but it wouldn't cost you anything additionally. I would definitely say start with the free version to see if you like it. It will definitely save you time, but if I were you, I'd want to test it compared to maybe the built-in dictation on my computer so you can figure out if it's worth it for you. So click that link in the description, give it a try, and let me know what you think.